So this is our reception. Two lovely ladies here. The first ones to greet you is from Nelson Corners. See, we have a lot of meeting rooms and basically places to lounge around. A lot of our clients, we actually meet them here before we bring them into the meeting room. Look, it's quite a nice view. We have wooden architecture there. The staircase that goes all the way up. Bright windows. Look at that, we even have our medals. Trophies. Look at this. Shout out to M100 for these beautiful pieces of art. So here we are. More balconies. Come, let's take a wider bird's eye view of this. Up here, so we have even more meeting rooms, all the conference halls, all the big lengthy discussions are held within this space. Here we are. Now, just so you know, if you're going to be a new joiner, your interviews will probably be held here as well. You're going to come in, be as comfortable as you can get in this space, and then we'll see, we'll hire you. And this here is our brand and marketing office, which is actually something really special I want to show you. This is, as you can see, our executive lounge. So what we have here is actually a spot where the staff can chill and relax. We have a coffee machine, there's a fridge, we have some soft drinks. Here, have a soft drink. Oh. And over here we have, of course, the television. I'm told it's subscribed to Astro. I wouldn't know because, I'm working too hard all the time. And for those who want to relax a bit more, here we have our foosball machine, darts. Look at the scores. Quite bad. We don't do darts very well. Now the sports day is coming up, our internal sports games. So this is where the staff will train as well. We actually have darts, frisbee, basketball, anything you name it. Now, let's move on to the next area. I want to show you the pantry on this floor. And if I'm not wrong, we're conducting some special talk event later today. See, many tags and we're big on security here. I don't know if there are people in there, but this is our pantry area. And yeah, here we go. One of our pantries. Many. Hi, say hi to the camera. See, they're getting annoyed. We're disturbing them. One more thing. Later today, we're gonna actually have a talk with this entrepreneur. I won't say who, but he won't regularly host this kind of event. This is sneak peek into the room. Okay, all right. Let's scram before they kick us out. All right, we're gonna make a right here. And again, it is working hours. So, oh look, this place is full. Oh, come on over here. You can see another foosball machine. We have too many of those here. Hey guys! Hey! Okay, let's not disturb them too much. Look at that recycle, we're all about being green here. Like one coffee machine isn't enough, you have to have two. Okay, alright, looks like they're having a meeting. Vouchers, bro. Now this is a bit more comfortable, cozy area. So you can see the offices are here. And if you feel it's a bit too stressful, you know, there are beanbags, sofas, whiteboards to get creative. Ignore the handwriting. Yeah, that's it. Alright, this is a very special place. It is my workspace and you'll soon see why. That's Lucas there. Oh, swag, huh, the guy? Alright, take a look at this. Now, just come in the middle and tell me if any other firm has got a space like this. Here we've got a whiteboard, so all our meetings, chairs of all shapes and sizes. This is LCD for our presentations, but the staff has hooked up a console to this before. So if anytime you're working late at night and you need Street Fighter, why not? One last stop on this floor. What can I say? Check out our pantry. This is less of a pantry, more of a speakeasy cafe, if you ask me. We have our fridge again. The lighting all custom made. Look at the pictures on the wall. Superman right there, very motivational. Well, that's it. Time for me to get back to work, and you guys kind of skedaddle. If you don't come back to here, join EY.